Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Squarespace website. First, select a template that best suits your vision, whether it's for a portfolio, blog, or online store. Then, create your account and choose a subscription plan that fits your budget and features required. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the intuitive dashboard, which is your central hub for all site management tasks. Now, let's build your site's pages. Start by adding new pages and arranging them logically in your navigation menu for easy user access. Utilize Squarespace's flexible content blocks to add text, images, videos, and more to each section. Remember to customize your site's design by adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing to create a cohesive and professional look that reflects your brand. Next, focus on your content and search engine optimization. Upload high-quality images, ensuring they are optimized for web to maintain fast loading speeds. Craft engaging and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Don't forget to implement basic SEO settings, such as meta descriptions and alt text, to help search engines discover and rank your website effectively. Finally, it's time to launch your Squarespace website. Connect your custom domain name to establish a professional online presence. Before hitting publish, thoroughly review all your pages and test every link and feature to ensure a smooth user experience. Once everything looks perfect, you're ready to share your new site with the world. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.